Welcome to CNP Math.
Hello again there, kiddos, and welcome to episode 3 of CNP Math, coming at you live from WDC Middle School. Today, our learning target, you will be able to find missing numerators from equivalent fractions. This is lesson 5.3. We are just moving on forward with our curriculum. So I'm going to put up some equivalent fractions up on the board, and it's going to be our job to figure out the missing numerator. So say we have 2/6 is equivalent or equal to something over 18. We have a missing numerator right there. How do you solve this? Well, this is how. What number times 6 gets you 18? 3. We take the bottom times 3. What you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. That's the rule. Because math is fair. 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, 2/6 is equal to 6 over 18. They're different numbers. These are bigger numbers, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bigger fraction or a smaller fraction. Okay? This fraction, 6/18, is equal to 2 over 6. Next example. 2/3 is equal to something over 27. We want to find that missing numerator. How do we do it? We figure out what number times 3 gets us 27. 3 times 9 is 27. Times 9. What you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. 2 times 9 is, of course, 18. Therefore, 18 over 27 is equal to 2/3. Those fractions are equivalent. They're the same thing. Our next example, we have 4/9 is equal to something over 18. It's a mystery. What do? We take our bottom number times 2, because 9 times 2 is 18. What you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top, because math is fair. 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, 4/9 is equal to 8/18. Yes, Billy?
Mr. C, I really gotta go to the potty.
Now?
Right now, I can't wait.
Fine. Next example. 10 and 7/8 is equal to 10 and something over 48. You should realize that these aren't regular fractions. These are mixed numbers. We got a whole number and fraction, whole number and fraction. Okay? Same thing applies. What number times 8 gets you 48? 6. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. 7 times 6 is 42. Therefore, 10 and 7/8 is equal to 10 and 42 over 48. And that is how you find missing numerators from equivalent fractions.